Hey everybody, it's Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today we're going to go through the 2025 Venture Stratus 302VBH. This is a perfect family bunkhouse floor plan with a nice large private bedroom and a great open living and kitchen space. And before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know what you think about this unit, and of course, if you're interested in it or units like it, please visit our website to check it out for more information. Jumping right into it, we've got this really nice pass-through storage compartment here on the door side, and we've got these slam latch doors on all of the compartment doors around this unit. Up top, you've got an 18-foot power awning with LED lights. That is, of course, going to provide some really great campsite coverage for you. Right over here by the door, you've got your Weather Shield package sticker there. That just means that this unit comes with things like an enclosed underbelly, insulated tanks, reflective PVC roof membrane with a limited lifetime warranty, amongst many other features that will keep your unit functioning properly when the weather gets colder. Another great feature on this unit is this exterior kitchen. You've got a nice little fridge here for your drinks, your condiments, things like that, and you've got your griddle and your outside sink there as well. Overall, this unit has an awesome campsite setup. You've got your exterior kitchen, a nice large awning, and no slide that is taking up space in your campsite. Around back here is where you'll find your spare tire, your ladder to get up on your walkable roof, as well as your rear camera prep. Around the off-door side, right here is where you'll find your shore power connection. In between the two off-door side slides is where you'll find your tankless water heater and your exterior docking station. You've got your hot and cold exterior shower there. Moving on, you've got another large compartment here, also with those solid slam latch doors, and we've got your off-door side pass-through storage compartment here. Back up around front, you've got your aerodynamic fiberglass front cap, your LP tank storage with two 20-pound LP tanks and the nice cover. This is also where you'll find your battery disconnect and where you will hook up your battery when you get it. And of course, the star of the show, the BAL 5.1 power tongue jack and stabilizer jack system. This is not something that you'll find often on travel trailers. It really elevates your setup experience and keeps this thing nice and stable when you're parked. Another great component of this unit is the construction. Overall, it's built great. It's got the nice fiberglass exterior, it's stronger, it has Azdel laminated sidewalls, which really helps this thing be more lightweight, have more insulation, and is more moisture resistant than your traditional Luan sidewalls. So really, you have a great bang for your buck on this unit, and that's just the outside. Heading inside, you've got a super open kitchen and living space right when you walk in. This is a great open space, especially if it's bad weather when you're camping and you need to have the kids and your guests all inside. You're not going to feel all cramped and uncomfortable in this unit. Starting off over in the kitchen, we've got your oven, your stove, microwave, and your sink all in the same area, which makes it nice and convenient. You're not spread out all over the place, so everything is all in the same area. You've got great overhead cabinet space in this kitchen, as well as cabinet space under the sink, and some great drawer storage as well. These drawers have the full extension ball bearing drawer glides, really to make sure these things stay nice and sturdy with whatever you're putting in there. To the left of all of that, you've got your 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Not only do you have decent fridge space, but you also have a really nice large freezer below. And next to that, you have your large pantry with adjustable shelves. That's just a really nice feature, especially if you have like taller cereal boxes you're putting in there and you need to move the shelves up and down to make sure everything fits nicely. Behind that is where you'll find your nice bar top style counter seating here, just for some extra seating space. You also have your booth style dinette that comes with your sit and slide table, so you can move the table back and forth depending on how much space you want on either side. The dinette also folds down into a bed for extra sleeping space. Above that, you have your 40-inch smart TV, and next to the TV you'll find your solar, your AC and furnace control, as well as your portable JBL Flip Bluetooth speaker. Also, the dinette has reversible cushions so that you can flip it to two different colors. Finally, over into the bunkhouse space, we have two 51 by 75-inch double over double bunks. Both bunks have a window, both bunks have a light and USB charging, and both bunks also have a 500-pound capacity. Next to the bunks, you have your rear bathroom. Really a decent sized bathroom for this kind of space. You've got your porcelain foot flush toilet, a nice large 30 by 36-inch shower, and of course your skylight to really keep this thing nice, bright, and open. You've also got your 12-volt exhaust fan up top. Over to the right, you've got your medicine cabinet and mirror. Below that, you'll also find your tankless water heater, control, an outlet, a motion-sensored light, and of course, your light switch. Really great storage space in this bathroom between the medicine cabinet and the under the sink storage. I should also mention that between the bathroom and the kitchen, they have the seamless counters. Back out into the living space is where you'll find your theater seats slash sofa. Nice little middle console with cup holders and outlets there that pulls down. And of course, this thing comes with heat and massage and another USB charging port there. Super nice upgraded residential furniture throughout this unit. And of course, the blackout roller shades throughout this whole unit on almost every single window really keeps this thing cool, especially in midday when the sun is out. And it also blocks out all that extra light when you're sleeping. And yeah, overall, a really great living slash kitchen space. Heading into the front private bedroom, you've got a nice large queen bed on a slide that really opens up the space in here. Right next to the doorway, you've got your second AC slash furnace control, your light switch, and some coat slash towel hooks. Above the bed, you've got some nice large overhead storage here, and an outlet next to the bed in case you want to charge your phone during the night. One thing about this private bedroom is that it has a ton of storage. You've also got under the bed storage. It lifts up super easy. It's on these gas struts, so it holds itself up, so you're not worrying about that thing coming down on you. You've also got a huge front closet with barn-style sliding doors and outlets in there. And in case that wasn't enough storage for you, you've also got a nice little wardrobe with an electric fireplace and another TV in the bedroom, really making for a nice camping experience, especially for the parents that are most likely going to be the ones sleeping in this room and paying for the unit. Okay guys, so that was the 2025 Venture Stratus 302VBH. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give us a like, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Check out all of our social media linked in the description down below. And if you're interested in this unit, check it out on our website or give us a call. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.